Today's question is check the set that has one more. Now, I'm not sure what each word means. Let's go ahead and describe it one at a time. Check, kind of like how the teacher checks my work. So just check, just look around. Okay, I see, what are these whales? They look like whales, dolphins, maybe. And then it says check the set. The word set means kind of like a group. Let's say me and my friend, we would be a set of friends, right? So here, when it says set, this is question one. My set would be my set of dolphins. That has one more. The word one means the number one, and the word more is the confusing part. Let's go ahead and describe it further. More would mean that I have something that is greater than or bigger, more amount. So if I were to say, for example, I am me, and I have two triangles, I have to say how much is more. More would then be that I have to have more triangles, similar to saying I have greater amount of triangles. So instead of two, more, I would say that I have three triangles. Here, I actually counted the exact same thing. I have one dolphin, I have two dolphins, and then if it says check the set, okay, check my set, that has one more. So now I have to find which set. This is a set. This is a set. They're both sets. And I have to pick the one that has one more. This one has more. This one has more, right? So they both have more. This one has more than two. I have to pick the one that says only one more. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because this one has 5, I know that this isn't the answer because I'm looking for the one that has one more. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 3 more. So this isn't going to be it. It's not going to be B. It would go ahead and be A. We're going to go ahead and try another problem. This time, it looks like bells, but it has the same question. Check the set that has one more. It has to have one more. Here, the first thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that I count how many bells I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm writing the number on top of it so I make 100% sure that I do not make a mistake of how many I counted. I go ahead and count up to 10. Then the thing that I have to do is I have to pick one of these sets because they're both a set. This is a set. This is a set. But I have to pick the one that has explicitly one more. So the amount that I'm looking for is 11. That is the lucky number that I'm looking for. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ugh, I don't like this number 12. Let's count the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yo, let's go. So my answer is going to be B. Awesome. If you followed along, you did amazing. Good job.